JetBrains AI Assistant versus GitHub Copilot. Let's get started. So JetBrains is a JetBrains built-in coding AI powered by models like OpenAI, ChatGPT, Code Whisperer, and StarCoder, deeply integrated into JetBrains IDE like the Intel, PyCharm, and WebStorms. Now, on the other hand, GitHub Copilot is a Microsoft flagship AI coding assistant powered by AI Codex GPT-4 embedded in VS Code, NeoVim, JetBrains, via plugin, and more. Now let's talk about their pros. For JetBrains, it offers a deep native integration with JetBrains IDE. It offers AI chat, inline suggestions, refactoring help, and docs explanation. It also supports multi-language editing for Java, Python, Kotlin, JS, and many more. And there's no need for third-party plugins. Now, GitHub offers you a platform for a lot of supports, like it has a fast real-time code suggestions, plus the auto-completion. It also works in VS Code and JetBrains via plugin and the NeoVim. And it's trained on massive GitHub code bases, so it's not just random AI generated, it also has some bases from the GitHub database. And they have the Copilot chat, which is powerful for explaining code, writing tests, and debugging. And it's all more battle tested and widely adopted. So in conclusion, use JetBrains AI if you live inside JetBrains IDE and want a seamless native tool. And use GitHub Copilot if you're looking for speed, flexibility, and broader editor compatibility.